Hello Cloud Pedagogians, welcome back to the course. Thanks for joining me in today's lab session. In today's lab, we are going to create custom IAM policies and roles. For that, first we will create an IAM policy for S3 access and then we will create an IAM role for our EC2 instance. We will attach the policy for the created resources. Next, we will test our IAM roles and policies using the AWS CLI. Finally, we will update our IAM roles and test them again. So, let's go ahead and start with the task 1. Create an IAM policy for S3 access. Select IAM from AWS services. Click on Policies and then select Create Policy. In Permissions, select S3. Expand List and Read and enable checkbox All List Actions. In Resources, enable All Radio Box and then click Next. In Review and Create, give some name to the policy and description. Finally, create the policy. That's all. You have created an IAM policy for S3 access. Next, we will create an IAM role for our EC2 instance as well. Just above Policies, click Roles. Click on Create Role. For the use case, select EC2 and then click Next. Search for the policy you have created earlier and then select it. In Review, give a name for the role and then click on Create Role. Great job! You have created an IAM role for your EC2 instance. Next, we will attach the policy for the created resources. In this, we will create an EC2 instance using the created role which will have access to our S3 bucket. So, go to EC2 and click Launch Instance. Keep the defaults as it is. Name some name for the instance. Create a key new pair and then select IAM role which you have created earlier in task 2 and then click Launch Instance. Congrats, you have attached the policy for the EC2 instance as well. In the task 4, we will test our IAM roles and policies using AWS CLI. Go to S3. Click Create Bucket. Give some name for the bucket. Click on Create Bucket. Now the bucket is successfully created. Now we will go to the EC2 instance and then connect the instance. Once the EC2 is connected, in the command line we will give AWS S3 ls command to see all the lists of buckets. Now I will try to create a file and put that into the S3 bucket. Now create a file by echoing some text. File is created successfully. It's the time to copy the file into S3 bucket. Let's put the command here. Here you can see the upload is failed because you are not authorized to keep the files into the bucket. Congratulations, you have completed the task 4 as well. Now it's task 5. Update our IAM roles and test this scenario again. I'm going to IAM from AWS Services. Click on Policies. Select the policy we have created earlier. Click on Edit Policy. Expand S3 actions. Enable Write checkbox here. In Click Review, save the changes. Again run the scripts which we have done in task 4. Now you are able to upload the file. Congratulations, you have completed the lab successfully. I can't wait for us to meet soon in the next video. Until then, take care.